One day, this teacher had to pick bad behind Tyrone to get up in front of the class and tell a story and tell everybody what the moral of the story was, because nobody in the class wanted to participate. So Tyrone got up in front of the class. He said, one day you had this horse and chicken. They was running around on the farm, playing around, chasing each other. When all of a sudden the horse fell into a hole, the horse told the chicken, quick, go grab the farmer. But the chicken ran around. He couldn't find the farmer. So the chicken jumped into the farmer's BMW, backed the car up to the hole, took a rope, tied it on the horse, tied it onto the back of the BMW, and pulled the horse up out the hole. The next day, they was running around playing again. But this time, the chicken fell into the hole. The chicken told the horse, quick, go grab the farmer. But the horse looked over and seen that the BMW was gone, so he knew the farmer was gone. So the horse, he straddled himself over the hole, and the chicken pulled himself up on the horse's ding-a-ling. The teacher said, what? Now, what in the world is the moral of that story, Tyrone? He said, well, if you're hung like a horse, you don't need a BMW to pick up chicks.